Hi everyone, now I'm going to show you guys this leaf filter. It's a quarter CT straw. This is the gel itself. Looks dark. I mean, in this light condition it's dark, sorry. But never mind, I'll show you in front of the light how it looks like. So this gel is going to be tested in front of a bi-color LED, so this is the result. So this is the gel itself, you can see. Okay. So with the gel on the white, this is with and this is without. With, without, with, without. Okay, so now I'm going to turn down the white, turn on the yellow. So this is with, this is without. With, without. With, without. Okay, now I'm going to turn on both white and yellow. Okay, so this is with, without. With, without. With, without. Alright, so that's all to this test. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you everyone for watching.